Plastic waste is rising.
Recycling rates aren't where they need to be, and now retailers are facing a major shift. From October 2027, the Bottle Deposit Return Scheme becomes a legal requirement for the UK retailers with a shop footprint over 100 square meters, impacting brands. The solution? A deposit return scheme where consumers pay a small deposit upfront and get it back when they return the container. It's simple and it works. In Sweden alone, over 2.8 billion bottles and cans were returned in just 1 year. That's an 87.6% recycling rate. In Germany, the return rate reached 98%. And in the UK, 75% of consumers support DRS, and 9 out of 10 say they would use it. This isn't just regulation, it's consumer ready. At UWorx, we help retailers implement DRS seamlessly without disrupting store operations. Customers can return containers at any participating store, regardless of where they purchase them. Returns are processed via device vending machines, handheld terminals, or directly at the POS. All fully configurable store by store. On HHT, the DRS option appears automatically based on configuration. Container lists are fully data-driven, including deposit values and internal codes. Staff can easily adjust quantities, see real-time fund totals, and complete the return in seconds. Once confirmed, a voucher is issued instantly, consistent across RVM and HHT. At the till, vouchers are redeemed through a secure validation and burn process. The POS checks vouchers' validity in real time, applies the refund, and marks it as used, preventing fraud while keeping the queues moving. Manual entry options are also available where required. No customer personal data is stored. Security is enforced through real-time voucher validation. All configurations, containers, values, enablement is centrally managed, and detailed reporting is available through backend systems. UWorx handles the full integration lifecycle, from POS and middleware to central voucher services. With October 2027 fast approaching, retailers should expect significant integration activity ahead of go live. That's where we come in. The Bottle Deposit Return Scheme isn't just a compliance challenge. It's an opportunity to improve sustainability, consumer trust, and operational efficiency. UWorx is ready to implement it end to end, on time, at scale, and build for real retail and web.